Editing an invoice in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to correct an unpaid invoice, why fields lock once a payment lands, and how changes sync back to QuickBooks automatically. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Invoices from your dashboard. If an invoice needs a correction before the customer pays it, a wrong quantity, a missing line, the wrong payment terms, open it from the Invoices list and click Edit. You can adjust line items, quantities, and prices the same way you would on a sales order. Once an invoice shows any payment against it, most fields lock to protect the accounting record. At that point, a credit memo is the right tool instead of an edit. Make your changes, review the updated total, and click Save. The correction syncs back to QuickBooks automatically, so your books and this invoice never fall out of sync. Resend it to the customer if the change affects what they owe.